Starting your retirement planning early is one of the safest and most effective ways to secure your future. By giving yourself more time, you allow your savings to grow gradually, reducing the need for risky investments. Early planning also helps you take advantage of compound interest, which can significantly increase your retirement funds over time. In this scene, we'll explore why getting a head start is crucial and how it sets the foundation for a low-risk retirement strategy. Remember, the earlier you begin, the more options you have to adjust your plan as life changes, making your journey to retirement smoother and safer. Safe approach to retirement planning starts with setting clear, realistic goals. Think about when you want to retire, the lifestyle you hope to maintain, and any major expenses you anticipate. By defining your objectives, you can create a roadmap that guides your savings and investment decisions. This clarity helps you avoid impulsive choices and stick to a plan that matches your comfort with risk. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to assess your current financial situation so you can set achievable targets for your retirement journey. Before making any moves, take a close look at your current financial situation. List your income, expenses, debts, and existing savings. Understanding where you stand financially helps you determine how much you can comfortably set aside for retirement without straining your present needs. This step is essential for building a safe, sustainable plan. It also helps you identify areas where you can cut back or adjust your spending to boost your retirement saving. Next, we'll explore how to build an emergency fund as a safety net. Key part of safe retirement planning is having an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial cushion, protecting you from unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Ideally, your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. By setting this money aside in a separate, easily accessible account, you reduce the risk of dipping into your retirement savings when life throws you a curveball. In the following scene, we'll talk about why avoiding high-risk investments is important for beginners. You're just starting out, it's wise to steer clear of high-risk investments like speculative stocks or complex financial products. These can offer high returns, but they also come with the potential for significant losses. Instead, focus on safer options that preserve your capital while offering steady growth. By avoiding unnecessary risks, you can build your retirement savings with greater confidence and peace of mind. Next, let's look at the benefits of using employer-sponsored retirement plans. Many employers offer retirement plans like 401(k)s or pension schemes. These plans are a safe and convenient way to start saving for retirement. Often employers match a portion of your contributions, which is essentially free money for your future. Participating in these plans allows you to benefit from tax advantages and automatic payroll deductions, making saving easier and more consistent. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of diversifying your investments to further reduce risk. Diversification is a cornerstone of safe investing. By spreading your money across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and cash, you reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance. This balanced approach helps protect your retirement savings from market volatility. Even if one area underperforms, others may do well, keeping your overall plan on track. In the next scene, we'll explain why low-cost index funds are a smart choice for cautious investors. Low-cost index funds are a popular choice for those seeking safety and steady growth. These funds track the performance of a broad market index, offering instant diversification and lower fees compared to actively managed funds. By investing in index funds, you can avoid the risks of picking individual stocks while still participating in the market's long-term growth. In the following scene, we'll talk about the importance of reviewing your plan regularly to stay on course. Safe retirement plan isn't something you set and forget. It's important to review your progress at least once a year. Check if you're meeting your savings goals and adjust your contributions or investment choices if needed. Life changes such as a new job or family situation may require you to update your plan. Regular reviews help you stay on track and make informed decisions without rushing into risky moves. Next, let's see how working with a financial advisor can add another layer of safety. If you're unsure where to start or want extra reassurance, consider consulting a financial advisor. Professionals can help you create a personalized plan that matches your goals and risk tolerance. They can also guide you through complex decisions and help you avoid common pitfalls. By working with an expert, you gain confidence and peace of mind, knowing your retirement plan is built on solid ground. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of understanding your risk tolerance. Everyone has a different comfort level when it comes to risk. Understanding your own risk tolerance is crucial for safe retirement planning. If you're risk-averse, you might prefer more conservative investments like bonds or stable value funds. Knowing your limits helps you avoid stress and stick to your plan, even during market ups and downs. In the next scene, we'll look at how automatic contributions can make saving easier and safer. One of the safest ways to build your retirement fund is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck or bank account into your retirement plan. This ensures you consistently save without having to think about it, and it helps you avoid the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. Automation also takes the emotion out of investing, making your plan more disciplined and reliable. Next, we'll discuss the value of living below your means. Living below your means is a fundamental principle for safe retirement planning. By spending less than you earn, you free up more money to save and invest for your future. This habit also helps you avoid debt and financial stress, making your retirement journey smoother. Simple lifestyle adjustments like budgeting and prioritizing needs over wants can make a big difference over time. In the next scene, we'll explore the benefits of paying off high-interest debt early. High-interest debt like credit card balances can quickly erode your ability to save for retirement. Prioritizing debt repayment is a safe strategy that frees up more money for your future. By eliminating these financial burdens early, you reduce risk and gain more flexibility in your retirement planning. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of keeping your retirement savings separate from other funds. Protect your retirement nest egg. Keep your retirement savings in a dedicated account. Mixing these funds with your regular spending money increases the risk of accidentally using them for non-retirement expenses. By keeping your accounts separate, you maintain discipline and ensure your retirement funds are there when you need them. Next, let's look at the role of insurance in safe retirement planning. Insurance is an important part of a safe retirement plan. Health, life, and disability insurance can protect you and your family from unexpected events that could derail your savings. By having the right coverage, you reduce the risk of large, unplanned expenses that might force you to tap into your retirement funds. In the next scene, we'll talk about the value of continuing to educate yourself about personal finance. Personal finance is always evolving, and staying informed is key to safe retirement planning. Read books, attend seminars, or follow reputable financial news sources to keep up with changes in laws, investment options, and best practices. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart, low-risk decisions. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of adjusting your plan as you get closer to retirement. As you get closer to retirement, it's important to gradually shift your investments to safer options. This process, known as glide path investing, helps protect your savings from market downturns when you're nearing the time you'll need the money. Reducing risk as you age ensures your nest egg is there when you retire. In the next scene, we'll look at the benefits of delaying Social Security benefits for a safer retirement income. Possible delaying Social Security benefits can increase your monthly payments in retirement. Waiting until your full retirement age or even later means you'll receive a higher benefit, providing a more secure income stream. This strategy is especially helpful for those who want to minimize risk and ensure they have enough to cover essential expenses. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of planning for healthcare costs in retirement. Healthcare is often one of the biggest expenses in retirement. Planning ahead for these costs is a safe way to protect your savings. Consider options like health savings accounts, HSAs, or long-term care insurance to help cover medical expenses. By preparing for healthcare needs, you reduce the risk of large, unexpected bills that could impact your retirement lifestyle. Next, we'll talk about the importance of keeping your plan flexible. Life is unpredictable, and your retirement plan should be flexible enough to adapt to changes. Whether it's a job change, family event, or market shift, being able to adjust your plan helps you stay safe and on track. Flexibility means you can respond to challenges without taking unnecessary risks. In the next scene, we'll discuss the value of keeping your beneficiaries up to date. Keeping your beneficiary information current is a simple but important part of safe retirement planning. Life events like marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child may require you to update your retirement accounts and insurance policies. This ensures your assets go to the right people and prevents legal complications. In the next scene, we'll look at the benefits of consolidating your retirement accounts. Having multiple retirement accounts can make it harder to manage your savings and increases the risk of forgetting about some funds. Consolidating your accounts simplifies your finances and makes it easier to track your progress. It also helps you avoid unnecessary fees and ensures your investments are aligned with your goals. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of understanding required minimum distributions, RMD. Required minimum distributions, or RMDs, are mandatory withdrawals from certain retirement accounts once you reach a specific age. Failing to take RMDs can result in hefty penalties. Understanding these rules helps you plan withdrawals safely and avoid unnecessary costs. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of keeping your retirement plan simple. A simple retirement plan is often the safest. Avoid overly complex investment products or strategies that you don't fully understand. Sticking to straightforward accounts and investments makes it easier to manage your money and reduces the risk of costly mistakes. In the next scene, we'll discuss the value of having a written retirement plan. Putting your retirement plan in writing helps clarify your goals and keeps you accountable. A written plan serves as a reference point, making it easier to track your progress and stay focused on your objectives. It also helps you communicate your intentions with family members or advisors. In the next scene, we'll look at the importance of regularly updating your plan as circumstances change. Life doesn't always go as planned, so it's important to update your retirement plan regularly. Major life events, changes in income, or shifts in the economy may require you to adjust your strategy. Keeping your plan current ensures it remains relevant and effective, helping you stay safe on your path to retirement. In the next scene, we'll discuss the benefits of setting up automatic reminders for important tasks. Setting up automatic reminders for important retirement planning tasks can help you stay organized and avoid missing deadlines. Whether it's reviewing your investments, updating beneficiaries, or making annual contributions, reminders keep you on track. This simple step adds another layer of safety to your plan. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of understanding fees and expenses. Investment fees and account expenses can eat into your retirement savings over time. It's important to understand what you're paying for and look for low-cost options whenever possible. By minimizing fees, you keep more of your money working for you, which is a safe way to grow your nest egg. In the next scene, we'll discuss the value of building multiple income streams for retirement. Relying on a single source of income in retirement can be risky. Building multiple income streams, such as pensions, Social Security, investments, or part-time work, adds stability and reduces the impact if one source falls short. Diversifying your income is a safe way to ensure you have enough to cover your needs. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of planning for inflation. Inflation can erode the purchasing power of your retirement savings over time. Planning for inflation means choosing investments that have the potential to outpace rising costs, such as certain stocks or inflation-protected securities. By accounting for inflation in your plan, you help ensure your money maintains its value throughout retirement. In the next scene, we'll discuss the benefits of keeping some cash on hand. Having a portion of your retirement savings in cash or cash equivalents provides liquidity and flexibility. This allows you to cover short-term needs or take advantage of opportunities without having to sell investments at a loss. Keeping some cash on hand is a safe way to manage unexpected expenses and maintain peace of mind. In the next scene, we'll talk about the value of staying healthy for a safer retirement. Good health is one of your most valuable assets in retirement. Staying healthy can help you avoid costly medical bills and enjoy a better quality of life. Investing in your well-being through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and preventive care is a safe strategy that pays off in the long run. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of having a support network. Having a strong support network of family, friends, and professionals can make your retirement journey safer and more enjoyable. These connections can provide emotional support, practical advice, and help with decision-making. Don't hesitate to reach out for guidance or assistance when needed. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of protecting yourself from scams and fraud. Unfortunately, retirees are often targeted by scammers. Protect yourself by being cautious with personal information and skeptical of offers that seem too good to be true. Use secure passwords and monitor your accounts regularly. Staying vigilant is a safe way to guard your hard-earned savings. In the next scene, we'll discuss the value of having a will and estate plan. Having a will and estate plan ensures your assets are distributed according to your wishes. This protects your loved ones and prevents legal disputes. A clear estate plan is a safe way to provide for your family and give yourself peace of mind. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of reviewing your estate plan regularly. Just like your retirement plan, your estate plan should be reviewed and updated regularly. Changes in your family, finances, or laws may require adjustments. Keeping your estate plan current ensures your wishes are honored and your loved ones are protected. In the next scene, we'll discuss the benefits of charitable giving in retirement. Charitable giving can be a meaningful part of your retirement plan. Donating to causes you care about not only benefits others but can also provide tax advantages. Including charitable giving in your plan is a safe way to leave a positive legacy. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of enjoying your retirement. Retirement is your time to enjoy the rewards of your hard work. By planning safely and avoiding big risks, you can focus on the activities and experiences that matter most to you. Whether it's traveling, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones, a secure retirement plan gives you the freedom to live life on your terms. In the next scene, we'll summarize the key points for a safe start to retirement planning. Start retirement planning safely, begin early, set clear goals, and avoid high-risk investments. Use employer plans, diversify your portfolio, and review your progress regularly. Keep your plan simple, automate your savings, and protect yourself with insurance and a strong support network. By following these steps, you can build a secure foundation for your future. In the next scene, we'll look at some common mistakes to avoid. Common mistakes in retirement planning include starting too late, taking on too much risk, and neglecting to review your plan. Avoid withdrawing from your retirement accounts early and don't ignore the impact of fees or inflation. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you can keep your retirement journey safe and on track. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to stay motivated throughout your planning process. Staying motivated is key to successful retirement planning. Celebrate small milestones and remind yourself of the benefits of a secure future. Surround yourself with supportive people and keep your goals visible. Motivation helps you stick to your plan and avoid risky shortcuts. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of patience in building a safe retirement fund. Building a safe retirement fund takes time. Patience allows your investments to grow and compound, reducing the need for risky moves. Trust the process and focus on steady progress rather than quick gains. Over time, your disciplined approach will pay off. In the next scene, we'll discuss the value of seeking advice when you need it. Don't hesitate to seek advice from professionals or trusted sources when you face uncertainty. Getting a second opinion can help you avoid mistakes and make safer choices. Remember, retirement planning is a journey and it's okay to ask for help along the way. In the final scene, we'll wrap up with a reminder to start your safe retirement planning today. Safest way to start retirement planning is to take action now. Even small steps can make a big difference over time. By following the strategies we've discussed, setting goals, avoiding big risks, and staying disciplined, you'll be well on your way to a secure and comfortable retirement. Remember, it's never too early or too late to begin. Start today and give yourself the peace of mind you deserve.